So this is the entrance from where I came in. Yes, entrance of this resort. And yes, now I'm going for the water park.
Namaskaram everyone, this is Satya, a water soul, and welcome to my YouTube page.
So we are exactly in the middle of this resort. So that there, this hill. So naturally it's hilltop cottage, and then that is the gym and yoga place. And here this is the restaurant and the reception, and they also have few rooms there as well. There is a temple, Sai Baba temple, and yes, this where we are going to do our activities. I'll show you. I'll give a very good look, yeah, in the later video when I'll be doing the yes, activities. And here is the open air theater, and they also have a convention hall for all your birthday parties or anything else, mehendi functions, everything. So there is that. And yes, they also have a children park, indoor and outdoor games place, everything. So now let's get into the water park. So it's high time, so let's go. Let's start this water park. So this is the water park, guys. So they have this fountain, slides, water bucket, and there is again some more slides, and there is umbrella, so you can go inside, water will be falling on the outer side. And then there's rain dance as well, and that all rain dance will look amazingly beautiful in the evening. And there are also many activities here that you can do on rope. So yes, we'll do everything. Chalo, chalo, chalo.
So let me show you my room in Wild Valley Rhythm in Water Park. Come. So this is my room. It is very spacious. Has got all the amenities. Yes, and AC in Udupi, AC is like the most important thing because it's very sunny, and that too this is almost monsoon time and there's still no trains. But they're telling tomorrow there will be cyclones. I mean, I am a little worried, but still, come. So this is the room. As you can see, they've given TV, kettle, everything. So that is good. And yes, they have got given us a very good bathroom. Beach, only salt water I'm always getting. And after coming here and after bathing with some good water, normal water of course, I am pretty happy with that. So this is the bathroom. So it's all good again. All the amenities given for you. And so here too you don't need to bring your toiletries except for brush. What should we rate this room? Because I got what all I needed, and it is very spacious room. It is, I mean, so much space. So I would give this a rating of 4.37 because AC, yeah. Now we come to food. Food, they have their own Atithi bar and restaurant. Yes guys, there's a bar. They also have some a la carte dishes also. We want to order them for extra cost, that is fine. But the what is included in the package is also very good. They provide biryanis, some starters, soup, everything. So that is a very good point in this. And so this is my food now. I have eaten yesterday as well. So I pretty much liked it. This morning also breakfast was very good. And yes, this is my food. Let me dig in. This is nice. Very good, very decent food. Yeah. So I would give food a 4.16.
So now we have come to the part where there is Hilltop Villa. So this is the Hilltop Villa, and there are people living it. So let's turn away. Let's talk about the accessibility and how I came here. Yes, I have come here on the bike only, which got repaired in the previous Udupi vlog that you have understood. So yeah, Royal Brothers, I am not happy with you. I am not at all happy with you. If I'm going to rate them, I'm going to give minus. this is actually 40 kilometers from the Udupi center, which is Manipal. See how cutely she's sitting there. Cutie. The way is proper only, good roads and everything. But yes, very hot. Coming here was a little difficult in the afternoon. But saying that it was not difficult to reach here, the map is very much nicely available in Google. And yes, saying that because it is far from the center, I would rate this accessibility. Up till now, all the places that are easily accessible, I have given 4 and 4.2. So for this, I want to give 3.97. I didn't want to give 4 because I have given just some 17 kilometers and 20 kilometers I have given 4. So this is a little far, so I'm giving like this. Nature. I mean, Karnataka, why are you so beautiful? I mean, Western Ghats, why are you so beautiful? I don't know why I'm getting excited, because I haven't seen so many birds ever, so many butterflies. The footage that I'm getting is only the butterflies that I could actually capture it through the phone. But there are so many butterflies, so beautiful ones, which I'm not able to capture, only my memories have them. Till now, where I'm talking, you can see that it's a hilly region. There are so many amazing trees. Monsoons are very near. Like Karnataka is showing its true colors, the green, lush green colors. So for that, I have to give nature a very good points. And till now, I've been giving nature 5 on 5 to the places I've been. Like, I am thinking my choice is very good. That the places that I'm going has got good nature. But am I giving too much 5 to everyone? So let's give 4.87. Okay, 4.87 for this thing, for the nature. And water soil factor, let's go into water and talk about water soil factor, right? So here's an abandoned pool. I mean, people get creeps seeing such things, but I do love it. Look at this. This looks like a pool and pond, right? Like there's water, there's a place, then there's nothing, then water fills in. It looks like a beautiful pond, right? So green. Oh my god, I just love it. So talking about water soil factor, it gets very good water soil factor because of the this. Though okay, you might not agree with me, but I just love it. There's nice swimming pool. There's beach. There's beach a little far. Kodi beach is here. Actually, in Udupi there are 2 Kodi beaches. One is near the place where we were staying, which is Zone 51 Kodi. That is the near Kodi beach. And this is 20 kilometers away. So this is another Kodi beach. So there is a Kodi lighthouse is there, it's sincere. So beach is there. There's also Kundapura backwaters just near. And then yes, there is this one. And there is actual swimming pool also. There's a water park. So water soil is so happy. And after today's water activities, water soil is like super happy. So I give water soil factor a very good marks also. So I would give because there is not a natural water source nearby. Let's put it that way. I will give a 4.44. That's a good one. It gets 3 4s. So that's how, and we'll calculate the total again tomorrow maybe, or in the pool. There is zip line from here, but as you can see, there is no instructor or the operator there. So yes, we are doing it tomorrow. And there's cycling also. I'll try to do, and then there are some rope activities which I'm not going to do because I've done it so many times. I think I'm not going to do, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Guys who want to get on the train with me and go to Udupi. Sorry, I already came, so you can come and yeah, we can go somewhere else. Okay, my lab is not that great, but this indoor, I'm telling you, children's park is, and yes, it's for children, but yeah, there are many activities for adults also, and there are them. So there are all the rope activities which I'm being forced to do. So let's go. I Okay guys, this is not Andaman. This is another Kodi beach, which is not Zone 51 Kodi beach. As I told you, there are two Kodi beaches. And yes, look at the scenery guys. It is so beautiful. Very dreamy. I just loved it. Oh my god guys. I mean, it looks so dreamy. Okay, this is like a little drive from our place, but it was very nice. The way was very beautiful. Beautiful houses, coconut trees, flowers, birds, animals, everything was very beautiful. So yeah, it is like, I didn't check the kilometers, but 10 km. So let's do the quick calculation of the rating that we are going to give this resort. Okay, it's 4.362, and yes, as you can see, Bipurjoy is here. Yes, it is cyclone time. I don't know how we are going to reach our bus station, but yes, we still have to do two more activities, which is cycling and zip lining. I'll try to do it, so keep waiting. So that there is the zip line, can't do it. This is the situation now. So I am checking out after having my breakfast. And yes guys, see you next time. And yeah, subscribe, like, share, and yeah, this is the condition that we're working in. So we need subscribers. Please do support. Bye bye.